Technology today is moving forward at a speed that has no mercy and no pause. Every day there's a new tool, a new model, a new language. And we programmers have only two choices: either ride this wave or get crushed under it. Python version 4. Let's take one step back. Python was introduced in 1991 and became famous with one simple idea: readability is more important than speed. Python has had many major versions, but big updates have always been a nightmare for the developer community. The most important change in Python's history: the migration from Python 2 to Python 3. This milestone was one of the hardest migrations in the history of programming languages. Why? The syntax changed. The behavior of important functions like print or division changed. Major libraries had to create new versions. And it took years for Python 2 to fully retire, until 2020. This experience gave the Python community a clear message. Every major update equals pain, exhausting migration, and breaking old projects. That's why every time someone mentions Python 4, the community unintentionally remembers those difficult days. And this is exactly the important point. A major update equals big risk, plus the possibility of losing users. Python today has more than 10 million active developers, hundreds of thousands of enterprise projects, thousands of libraries, and the world's AI infrastructure. So a real Python 4 would be a full-scale earthquake. This is why Python has practically chosen another path. Instead of releasing version 4, it introduces major leaps through 3.x versions. And this brings us to a generation that may look small in numbers, but in terms of features, it's a quiet revolution. Python 3.14 and 3.15, small updates with big impact. These versions may look simple from a distance, but the truth is that Python is moving step by step toward the future without breaking any projects. 1. Higher speed thanks to CPython optimizations. In 3.11, the speed improved by 25%, 60%. In 3.12, even more core optimizations were added. And in 3.14, 3.15, the focus is for Python to get closer to the speed of Go and Java without changing the syntax. 2. Better memory and automatic garbage collector management. Newer versions have a lighter and smarter GC. This means AI data and large-scale services run faster. 3. A more modern structure for async. Python has practically redesigned async await. 3.14 focuses on improving the event loop and concurrent execution. The result? Python becomes more ready for scalable services. For better security, especially for packages. Python is working to make pip and PyPI more secure to reduce supply chain attacks. So is Python 4 coming or not? The truth is, Python 4 will only come when the changes are so big that continuing version 3 no longer makes sense. But the core Python team considers breaking the ecosystem unreasonable. That's why versions 3.14 and 3.15 basically act as a quiet Python 4. A revolution in the core without hurting the community.